Getting to know guitar chord, lesson 1. I'm Ahmad Musaipur, flamenco guitarist and guitar teacher. Welcome to my channel. First, I'm going to show you this chord. Yes, F major and F flamenco, E flamenco, for example. And the next one, I'm going to play chord cycle with metronome. Yes. First chord is A minor, 6 sound. The open note is 6th string, 3rd string, 2nd string, and 1st string. You can hold C note on the 2nd fret with 2 fingers, and the next note is E on the 2nd fret of 4th string. You can hold together, yes, and play, yes. This lesson is not about the right hand, just left hand. Okay, you can just hold left hand and change chord, yes. You can learn chord A minor, E minor, A minor, G major, and change this chord cycle, yes. Change this chord cycle and right hand and left hand and together, yes. This lesson is about just chord. It's not about the change chord until just you can learn chord, yes, and name and which finger in the which fret of guitar, yes. The second chord is A minor, 5 sound. The open note is 5 A on the 5th string and A and the E on the 1st string. First, you can hold the E on the 2nd fret of guitar with 2 fingers, and the 3rd finger, the next part, you can hold A on the 2nd fret of guitar of 3rd string, and the next chord is next note is C on the 1st fret of guitar, and you can hold together. The next chord is G, or simple. Simple is better. The open note is D, G, and C. 4, 3, and 2 string of guitar. You can first hold the 3rd fret of guitar. Then note is G. Next note is C. And the 2nd fret of guitar with 1 finger, 2 finger, G, C, B note. B note is with 1 finger, and F with the 3rd finger, 3rd fret of 1st string. The next chord is in D minor. This chord is 6 sound, and this chord is 4 sound. The open note is D, just D, 4th string, and you can hold the A, the 2nd fret of 3rd string, as 3rd fret of and 2nd string with the 3rd hand, 3rd finger and 1st finger on first fret of guitar with first finger. First fret of first string. First, second finger and third finger. Yes. Okay, next chord is C. 5 sound. C, E, G, and C. Can hold C with the third finger. Can hold E with 2 finger, and open note is G and E. Third and first finger, and you can hold first fret of second string of guitar. The next chord is D. Is major chord. Yes. Four sound. Four sound. The open note is D on the fourth string, and you can hold A second fret. Second fret of third string with 1 finger. You can hold the third fret of two string, second string of guitar with the third finger, and second finger on the second fret of first string of guitar. You can hold together. The next chord is A on the classical and the flamenco. You can play classical or pop. And the open note is 5 sound. The open note is A and E, 5 and 1 string, and you can hold the second fret of 4 string with one finger, excuse me, and you can hold the second fret with the second hand, second finger. The note is A, and you can hold the second fret of 2 second string of guitar. Okay, the next chord is F. F, you can hold the 6th string with one hand. Is very hard. Yes. Yes, here. The next one. Next. You can hear sound. Yes, and you can hold here, and here. The note, the 6th sound. You can hold C and F and A. C with the third finger, F with 4 finger, and A with 2 finger, second finger. Okay, next chord is B. B, 5 sound, second finger, 1 finger of second fret of 5 string, fourth fret of guitar with fourth fret of 4 string with 2 finger, and fifth fret of fourth fret of third string with third finger. The note is B, and the last one is F sharp with 4 finger, fourth fret of second string, B. The next chord is B minor, like B major and B minor, like this, major and minor. You can 5 string like that, and you can hold F sharp, B and B with second finger on the third fret of 2 string. The note is C. 5. The next chord is F sharp on the second position of guitar. One hand hold the 6th string, and you can hold the D sharp on the 4th fret of 5 string. Next one is the F sharp on the 5 string, and the next note is A sharp, 3rd fret of 3rd string with 2 with second finger, F sharp, and G sharp in the 4th fret of guitar. You can hold the 4th fret with a 6th string of 4th fret of guitar, and you can hold and the note is and the name note is C. Yes, C, 5th fret of guitar with the second finger, and you can hold 6th fret of 4 and 5 string, 5 with the 3rd string, and 4 with 4th string. Notice Re sharp, and this is G sharp, that's C, D sharp, and F sharp. First chord E minor, A minor, G, D minor, C, D, F, B, B major, B minor, F sharp, and G sharp.